Hello, today I'm reviewing craft storage cart. I always have struggled to find a place for all of my gift wrapping supplies. Sometimes you forget what you have or things can get messy and you doesn't really know where they are. So when I got this craft storage cart, I actually loved it because now I know where's all of my stuff and they're all in one spot. So what I like about this cart is obviously the size, and the big point for me in the back is you can see it has a wrapping paper organizer, so you can put your wrapping paper and everything in one spot. Then another good feature is here on the side, it's organizing for your ribbons, so it's easy to just take them out and just use as much as you need and just roll them back. Another good point I love is this big opening, so you can put your scissors, your markers, extra ribbons, or just simply put stuff that you use most. Then it has the 3 drawers, so on one of the drawers I use a lot of tapes. In my second drawer I have little labels, and my third drawer I actually use for the candles. Also, these 2 openings are also amazing because you can use little storage organizers for that, or you can just simply put stuff on the shelf. So here I have some tissues, so I usually like to keep it in this box, and here I just have extra cards I use, so I like to put it here. And one of the good features I love about this cart is obviously wheels, so you can just roll it where you need it and put it, use it, and you don't need to carry all this heavy weight. And one of the tips I can give you that I also use some of these extra hooks just to hang my bags all over the place, and it gave me extra place for storage. Overall, I'm actually very happy with the storage cart. It's helped me to organize all of my gift wrapping supplies, and now I'm ready for the holidays and wrap all of my presents. Thanks for watching.